Listen carefully. You are learning English now. This is English listening practice for beginners, for daily improvement. Relax your mind, no pressure, no fear. Just listen and learn naturally. Welcome to Voice Nest English, a calm place to learn English one step at a time. This is your daily English habit. Let us begin your morning routine together. Every morning begins quietly. The alarm rings. You open your eyes slowly. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels sleepy. You sit on your bed. You take a deep breath. This moment is slow. This moment is peaceful. You are not thinking about English. You are just breathing, and that is perfect. Learning English does not start with books. It starts with listening. It starts with calmness. You go to the bathroom. You wash your face. Cold water wakes you up. You look in the mirror. You see your own eyes. You smile softly. You say, I am learning English. I am improving every day. Say it again, slowly. I am learning English. Words are powerful. Your mind listens to you. You make a cup of tea or coffee. The cup feels warm in your hands. This is a special moment. This is your English time. No phone calls, no noise, no rush. Just you and English. At Voice Nest English, we believe learning should feel safe, not stressful, not fast. Slow learning is strong learning. Many people ask, how can I improve my English? The answer is simple. Listen every day. You listened today. That is success. You do not need to understand every sentence. Understanding comes later. First, your ears learn, then your mind learns, then your mouth learns. This is the natural way. Children learn this way too, and adults can too. Maybe you are watching from India, maybe from another country. Different places, same goal. You want better English. You want confidence. Be kind to yourself. Do not say, I am bad at English. Say, I am learning English. Do not say, I am slow. Say, I am patient. Every learner has a different speed. Your speed is perfect for you. You finish your drink. You feel a little calmer. The day will be busy. There will be work. There will be challenges. But you did something important today. You listened to English. That small habit is building a strong future. Tomorrow morning, come back again. Listen again. Feel calm again. Do not stop. English grows with daily care, like a plant, like a habit. Voice Nest English is here to help you every day. Slowly, clearly, naturally. Thank yourself for spending this time. Thank yourself for choosing learning. If this calm English practice helped you feel better, helped you feel confident, then stay with us. Make Voice Nest English your daily learning place. Listen every morning. Grow every day. See you again. Thank yourself for spending this time. Thank yourself for choosing learning. If this calm English practice helped you feel better, helped you feel confident, then stay with us. Make Voice Nest English your daily learning place. Listen every morning. Grow every day. See you again.